Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. Let us mobilize all our resources in a systematic and organized way, and tackle the grave issues that confront us with grim determination and discipline, worthy of a great nation." Address at Eid-ul-Azha, Message to the Nation, October 24, 1947. About founder of Pakistan. Born the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.